So we have that very gray look to the sky still over much of the four-state region. Clouds are definitely being very stubborn, and it looks like we are going to hold on to those clouds a little bit longer, but we are still expecting to see just a little bit of sunshine before the day is done. So check it out here. The cloud deck is pretty much locked in place from the Blue Ridge Mountains over to the Chesapeake Bay. There are a few peaks of sunshine as you go down I-81 and once you get into the very far western edges of the viewing area, and it's going to take some time now slowly from west to east for that cloud deck to break up, but there is going to eventually be a little bit of sunshine across the area before the day is said and done. And a wider view of that, again, you can see the clearer sky that is back off to the west. Meanwhile, just like how the rainfall situated directly over us yesterday, the cloud deck is doing exactly the same so far here this afternoon. So temperature-wise, we have not warmed up much where those clouds are still pretty persistent. We're still in the lower 60s across southern PA, much of northern Maryland, but it is jumping up a little bit into the upper 60s and lower 70s now through parts of the eastern panhandle, northern Virginia, and central Maryland. And ironically enough, the warmest conditions is back to the west, where typically is cooler, but because of the clearing sky, it's already 84 in Pittsburgh. Meanwhile, again, still 63 in Hagerstown, 68 in D.C. So we have that temperature spread, but we should start to level it out as we go into the afternoon. So, yep, we're still going to warm up today into the lower 80s, upper 70s as well, despite not having much sunshine. Tomorrow is going to be sweltering out there once again, and after we have a few mountain showers today, that heat is going to help for a few strong storms to develop and remain possible through the afternoon and evening tomorrow, with gusty winds being the main threat. And we're looking forward to Memorial Day weekend. Looks like we're going to have a split decision, if you will, Friday and Saturday to kick things off. Not looking the greatest, but by Sunday and then into Memorial Day itself, not looking all that bad. So today, here we go. That clearing is going to kick in. I bet it's going to take until the mid-afternoon, though, before we really start to see that sunshine. We'll see that bit of shower development all the way down to our south and west. Pretty much all of us, though, are going to stay on the dry side of things. We'll start out with a partly cloudy sky on your Wednesday, and it stays that way into the afternoon, but we will see very rapidly that storm development, a couple of broken lines of those stronger storms swinging their way across the region into Wednesday night before things calm down again by Thursday. And with that, we have a marginal risk for severe storms. That's a 1 out of 5 on the severe scale, 5 being the highest. And again, the main threats here are gusty winds, some heavy downpours occasionally, but the better chance for severe weather for tomorrow is back off to our north across New York, Pennsylvania, the upper part of the Northeast. So we aren't going to see the highest risk for severe weather, but it's out there. So certainly watch out for those storms, and we'll continue to track those for you tomorrow. Once that moves through, though, again, we cool down Friday and Saturday with that rain moving in, and it's not going to be sweltering, but back into the 70s by Sunday and Monday as we'll dry things out for the second half of the holiday weekend.